everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video gonna very special for all NEM XEM holder friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of XEM coin, what change goes at this time in the XEM coin, and try to retake the next target, the next move of XEM coin friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also press the bell icon for a new video notification friends. Let's start the video. First of all, we look at the current price of XEM coin, which is the current price of XEM coin at this time. 0.271839 is the current price of XEM in the cryptocurrency market, and the high price is about to last 1 hour change is in positive, last 1 day change is in negative, and last 1 week change is also in negative friends. Now that is why a lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what goes at this time in XEM coin, what is the best time to buy, sell or hold XEM coin. So that's the reason as that the only fast occur in the XEM coin. So don't worry, I have a solution for all of you. Keep watch this video until the end friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction friends. If you look the change occur in the last 1 hour, so that means that the last 1 hour explosion time of the XEM coin starts now, because the change is in positive 1.71%. and if you look the high price, so the high price is about 0.278939 USD dollar is the high price of XEM coin friends. As you can see here, this point the high price of XEM coin friends. If you look the current price of XEM coin, so the current price is about 0.273827 USD dollar, which is the price of this point friends. So that's mean that if you do a technical analysis of XEM coin, so as you can see here friends, now let's suppose that is a support level and that is a resistance level friends. So as you can see here, if they continue this kind of travel, take a jump, after a jump falls down, and after this again take a jump and break the resistance level and take the high jump, after this again falls down, same like that process occur in the XEM coin, take again a resistance level and take a high jump. The average level is that they move upward for a little time friends, and after that they take a high jump for a little time, only and only XEM jump and jump after this. But now currently at this time, I think after a 4 hour they continue this kind of process that they falls out for a little time, after a falls they take a high jump, and same like that falls down take a high jump. This process occur in the XEM coin in the future of 4 hours maybe friends. According to the technical analysis, I said this friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction for more details, for more news about XEM coin friends. As you can see here, the last 1 day, oh my god, very badly fast occur in the XEM coin, negative 20% change occur in the XEM coin, and the high price is about 0.368876 USD is the high price of XEM coin in the last 1 day period friends. If you look the change occur in the XEM coin, so the change as you can see here only and only fast occur in the previous last 2 hours they take a jump. As you can see here, they take a jump, and as I told you that they fast down for a little time, after a fast take a jump, fast down for a little time, take a jump. This process continue until 4 hour of the future friends. It's I'm talking this that on the basis of the technical analysis friends. So what's your opinion about XEM coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.